This program contains scenes of nonsensical garbage and coarse language and is intended for a mature audience. Viewer discretion is advised.
Why, hello, my little trash bags. Welcome back to I Bought Some Shit, Let's Unbox It. And today we have all things Pop Mart. I know, another Pop Mart video. But what can I say? I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. There are two things that I want to show you that I did not get from Pop Mart. I had to get it from Whoopia. I don't know, whatever. This brand. Listen, James had a code and I used it and I saved 12% off. And you know what? I feel good about it because a lot of the resellers that I've seen had these babies really at like a premium. So, I mean, they were expensive, but not as bad as say some other sites. I purchased, I couldn't help myself. I had to get the pumpkin Labubu. I can't help myself. He's so cute. Look at him. They have been teasing this, okay, during the TikTok lives. They have yet to drop it. And I'm starting to think they're just with me at this point. So I saw it and I said, you know what? I need to have it. So as a birthday present to myself, I bought it. One of the many, many birthday presents. But I digress. Anyway, look how cute. Oh my God. So this is a little plush pendant. I'm gonna, well, actually, you're gonna see that. I don't know when the you're gonna see this, but I'm gonna bring this little guy with me when I go to New York because it's just in time for Halloween season and this bitch needs a photo shoot. So I need to mix him with some autumnal leaves in Long Island. I think that would be pretty cute, but look how fun he is. I love him. I love him so much. He's so sweet. So we got him. And yes, I purchased a first class seat for him on the airplane. And then the other one I got, I couldn't help myself, okay? I love 7-Eleven and I obviously needed to have this. This is the Wacky Mart Labubu. He's dressed like a 7-Eleven worker. And I love it so much. I love him and his little outfit and his little visor. And he's another one that's like a little plush key ring. I don't know if he'll ever see the outside of this house. I don't know, honestly. I don't know. I'm holding him like a baby, but he's so cute. I couldn't resist. I really love the Wacky Mart series. I have unboxed like all the little vinyl figures. I am waiting patiently for the case to come back into stock so I can buy that. Then that's gonna look amazing to have all the little guys in that case. But I just need to get everything from the Wacky Mart line. And I needed him. I knew I needed him. And look how fun he is. He has like a little shirt. I also just love the color of him. He's just so pretty. So obviously I had to get him and he comes with a little dust bag. How cute. And I mean, for the amount of money, I should get a dust bag. The pumpkin Labubu, no dust bag. But this guy, he has a little dust bag. How cute. Will I ever use a dust bag? Probably not. Because he's going to be hanging up on, which one day I will show it. I have a whole like rack of all my little plush pendants. It's adorable. It's adorable. And then when I think about it for too long, I go, how old am I? But it's adorable though. And that's where he lives. So I love him. Okay. So yeah, so I got those two guys. And now the rest is all blind boxes. So it's a little bit of like Noah's Ark with this because I got two of everything. We got a lot of Crybaby. We have the Crying Again. We have the Crying for Love. We have the little vinyl. So this is the plush one. This is the vinyl one. We have a Nyota Growing Up. I don't have this series yet. And then of course we have my boy Twinkle Twinkle. So I'm gonna end with Crybaby because I've been eyeing these for a minute. Because again, Crybaby was something that I kind of thought wasn't cute. And then one day it clicked and now I'm like, oh, they're adorable. Even though they have tears, I still think they're adorable. So let's open my boy Twinkle Twinkle first. He's my new favorite as of late. And this is from the Be a Little Star series. So this is all the little guys. I really would like Teeter Totter, the one on the top. Lose a Tooth, Banana Split's really cute. The Globe Trotting is really adorable. Baby Ice Pop. The goal is to basically not have a duplicate. Both boxes feel vastly different. So that makes me feel happy. Not gonna say that I weighed each one of these boxes when I got them at home, which I did do that. Alex actually brought the little food scale out and I weighed them. And each one of these boxes are a little bit different in weight. And I hope that means that the scale is not lying and that I don't have any duplicates. I really... But we'll see. Okay, so let's open the first one. I think this one's like the lighter one. I have a feeling this is gonna be Baby Ice Pop. I think it's gonna be Baby Ice Pop. Okay, I think it's gonna be this little guy. I don't know why, I just feel it, and that's one of the ones that I wanted. This is not the one that I wanted. Oh, You know what's so fucking funny? I was thinking that this was going to be Little King, but I should have just said it and trusted my guts. But I didn't. Also, does he have like a little, oh yeah, he does. Okay. I was like, wait, where the is his little thing? Hold on. He's cute. He's cute as shit. But I had a feeling it was going to be that. I need to trust my gut. How dare I? My only complaint with these little figures is that the hole is never big enough. This one it is, but for the Chip and Dale ones that I got, like I cannot put the little objects in their hands and it's so infuriating. But look how sweet. Oh my God, I love the little bunny. I do. Which is funny because I know I've said so many times, I'm like, I don't really like the bunnies, but actually this bunny is acceptable. It's acceptable. That's cute. Oh, he's adorable. I like Twinkle Twinkle. Again, he was another one that I was like, eh. And now I'm like, oh my God, he's so sweet. I think I have Stockholm Syndrome. I think that's what this is called. Anyway, here's the card. Super cute. Love that. I don't know if I would collect the whole series, but if I don't get my Target ones, I think I might go back and get another one or two. I think. Okay, let's open up box number 2. This one feels heavy. I feel like this is going to be, I think it's a big bitch. I think it's going to be globetrotting. I want it to be globetrotting, or it's going to be teeter-totter, which are the two that I wanted. So. Not what I wanted. Okay. This is the second haircut thing that I got. And I feel like that's just going to be the theme. I'm always going to get the haircut one. Listen, the haircut one is just, it's fine. It's just not for me. It comes with a little chair though. Wait, is this the secret? No, this is not the secret. Because no, this is the haircut one, right? Yeah, it's the haircut one. Yeah, dude, I don't know. Like, it's fine. It's just like not for me. But I mean, oh, he's kind of cute. Okay. I think he just looks possessed. I think that's what I don't love him so much. He looks a little possessed for me. But okay. You know, he was heavy. Damn, he's okay. He doesn't even sit in this chair. Come on, get your fat ass down. All right, there he goes. Here's the card. Yeah, I mean, it's fine. It's fine. That's what disappointment sounds like, kids. It's fine. All right, moving on. Okay, let's go with Nyota. Oh, I don't know. Nyota is so cute. I really, ooh, what do I want? So here's everything. I think what I would like is Friends. I like Dream. I like Feeling. Into My Heart. That one's cute too. Hidden Love's adorable. Honestly, they're all adorable. The Secret. As long as it's not a duplicate, I would be happy. But I think this one is going to be, watch this one be Growing Up, which that's what I should be doing. Okay. Let's see. Shut the fuck, really? No, oh bitch! Oh my God, yay, it's Dream! Ah, okay. Oh, that's so good. Oh, we got the title card, bitch. Oh, I love that. Oh, that's so fucking cute. Oh my God, look how cute she is. That's so good. Bitch, that's the title card. I feel special. Actually, that's kind of funny. I was like, oh, did I get the title? No, I did not get the title card. That one's really cute. Growing Up Your Way. Growing Up Your Way, Dream. That's adorable. I really like this series a lot. This one's super sweet. I feel like I've been incredibly lucky with this one. I've always gotten the ones that I wanted. Famous last words. But I want this one to be, I really want it to be Friends. Or Time. I'm going to say this is, I have a feeling this is probably going to be Time. Just have a feeling. Oh, yay! Oh, bitch, it's Feeling. All right. Oh, she's in her feelings and I love this. Hold on, let me put her on her stand. Oh, she's so pretty. Oh, I love this. Oh, that's so cute. These are really well made. And I wish I might get more of this series. I don't know if I want to be like a completionist with this one, but I definitely want to get another 1 to 2 because I really want the Friends one. I don't know. Anytime they have like a little extra little guy with them, just warms my heart. So far so good. Twinkle Twinkle got off to kind of, well, it started strong and then it kind of, But Nyota, she came through and we're happy. Yay. Okay, so I have 3 different crybabies. We have Crying for Love, we have Crying Again, and then we have Crying Again. But this is the plush one. So I opened this one before. I don't know if when the hell you're gonna see this and when I opened this one, but I did get, I think the naked baby. I don't like any of the naked ones because it just makes me feel uncomfortable. So as long as I don't get a naked baby, I'm fine. I don't want baby blonde. I don't want baby brown. I don't want the naked babies. Just give me those babies with clothes on and I will be happy. So here are all the little options. What I would love to have is Love is Love. I love the rainbow one. I like the robber. That one's really cute too. Heartless Girl, Starboy, Love Make Us Cry. I like all of them. Duck You would be really cute. I just do not want the naked baby. Please don't give me the naked baby. Fuck! I don't want the naked baby. It just freaks me out. I don't like it. I don't like it. Oh, I don't like it. I don't like it. Oh, I hate it. Oh, I feel gross. I'm giving this to my friend Erin. All right. In the future, if I do decide to get any more crybabies, if there are naked babies, I'm just gonna, oh, there's naked babies in this one. I'm just gonna steer clear of the naked babies because like the chances of me getting naked babies is just too great. I would be very happy with a duck you. I don't know what's in this box. I don't feel particularly lucky though. Oh, thank God. Oh, yay. Oh, good. Oh, bitch, it's Starboy. Yay. That is super cute. Okay. Come tears. I love it. I love this one. Oh, it's so cute. Okay. Oh, it comes with a little stand. And then, of course, here's your card. Card's adorable. All right. I feel a little bit better. Because if I would have got another naked baby, I don't know what the fuck I would have done. Like, video's canceled. I'm canceled. Like, all right. I should be on a list somewhere. This is terrible. Oh my God, this is so cute. I love her. Oh, I love her. Oh, that one's adorable. That's probably the cutest crybaby that I have picked up so far. I don't think I'm ever going to get anything from the series ever again, just for the fear of continuing to get those naked babies. No, thank you. Bye. Okay. Let's try this one. This is the Crying for Love series. This one, oh, they're so cute. Look how cute. So I would love, I really would love the Jar of Hearts. That one looks really fun. The Love You Cherry Much is really cute. I kind of have a feeling I'm going to get Stolen Heart because it looks old and ugly. And I just have a feeling that's what I'm going to get. So let's see. Oh no! Oh, who are you? Oh, Kiss Kiss Devil. Oh, that's so fucking cute. Oh, she's cute. Yes, she's a little naked, but she has a sash on, so that's fine. It's when they don't have a sash and you see their little nipples, that's when it's a... Okay. So no, she's cute. Kiss Kiss Devil. I like that one. That one is really sweet. So she comes with a little stand and a little heart. Let's put her together. Okay. So I don't think she holds her little heart thing. So basically it looks like that. That's super cute. Okay. I like her. I like her. I'm okay with her. Oh God. Okay. This feels heavy, and I kind of feel like this is going to either be Love You Cherry Much or the Jar of Hearts, because it just feels heavy. Or maybe it could be the big heart guy. That's what I'm thinking. Sweet Baby is also pretty cute too. Is this, what the f is this? Oh, okay, it's You're Perfect. All right. Not for me. All right, let's see. So it comes with a little pillow. Yeah, some of the crybabies are super cute, and then some of them are like not so cute. I mean, this is not that bad. That's... Do I like crybabies? I don't know. Or maybe it's just because I've just been watching TikTok lives that they've just been forcing this down my throat. Could be that too. I don't know if I'm gonna keep her. I don't know. I gotta see. I mean, she's not terrible. She's not terrible. I actually didn't even notice her. I guess I prefer her over like the weird dogs. Okay. All right, yay, go team. Now we're on to the main attraction, okay? I don't want a naked baby. So my friend Erin sent me this one. Love, Make Us Cry? Make Us Cry, yeah. So we have this one. This is an option which would actually be pretty cute. I do like the frog one. Here are the two secrets. We don't want the secrets. The secrets are the naked babies. I don't want the naked babies. And then here is the other side, which, I mean, honestly, any of them would be fine as long as I don't get Love, Make Us Cry or the secret. Apparently, according to the scale, these are two different weights. So I'm gonna start with this one. This feels a little bit lighter. Okay, oh good, oh fuck yeah, okay. I'm just so happy. Okay, like that one's cute. So this one is the, oh, bitch. We got the title card. That's pretty good. That's good. This is, I'll give you all my love. Oh, she's cute. Look at them big old cum tears. Oh, I love. I love that. That's cute. She's cute. Okay. Okay. I with her. Here you go. I give you all my love. Super cute. Love that. Okay. Whew. All right. We're starting strong. I feel like this is going to be, I'll bring you a flower. I don't know why. I just feel like that's what it's going to be. Yay, it's the duck, you bitch. I don't need to get anything else from the series. I feel good. Although I really would have loved What a Frog. I think the Duck You one is the pride and joy of this whole collection. Look at this bitch. It's basically a you, but in duck style. I love this. Oh my God, I love this. Oh, this is so good. This is so good. Oh, thank God. Okay. My luck is on the up and up. All right. So you're stuck, you. That one's super cute. I like this. Okay. So there was a lot of highs. There was a lot of lows. It was a lot of low lows and a lot of high highs. So I am happy. I got my Target one and I'm retiring the Crybaby series for the most part. I don't think I'm going to press my luck, especially with the Crying Again series. Hell no. F that. Life is good. Life is good. Anyway, now I would love to hear from y'all. Let me know down below if you have any of these little babies. And yeah, do you or don't you? Let me know. And of course, I want to say thank you so much to my beautiful patrons and YouTube members for keeping this garbage boat afloat. I love your faces, and I'll see you little garbage cans real soon. Bye.